Good morning, class. Topic for today is direct and indirect speech. Students, there are two ways of reporting what somebody says. It is through direct speech and indirect speech. In direct speech, we use the speaker's own words. मीन्स एज इट इज, जैसे स्पीकर ने कहा हम वैसे ही बता रहे हैं, तो दैट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. क्लियर? वी पुट स्पीच मार्क्स मीन्स इन्वर्टेड कॉमास, कोटेशन मार्क्स. सी एग्जाम्पल, Nikki said, see comma, inverted comma begin, I am learning a new topic, then inverted commas close. See here, these are speaker's own words. Here, Nikki is subject, said is reporting verb, and the sentence written in inverted commas is reported speech. This is reported speech. Clear, students? Now, in indirect speech, we do not use the exact words of the speaker. We do not use speech marks. We do not use quotation marks here. When we change direct speech into indirect, we remove inverted commas and we use that and past form of the verb used by the speaker. Clear? Now see this example. When we change direct into indirect, Nikki said that she was learning a new topic. See, here we have changed into indirect. Said after we used that, and is learning will change into was learning. Clear? Now see this example. When we change direct into indirect, Nikki said that she was learning a new topic. See, here we have changed into indirect. Said after we used that, and is learning will change into was learning. Clear? See, when the reporting verb is in present tense, means say, says, or the future tense, means will say, the tense of the verb inside the inverted commas in the quotes will not change. It does not change in the indirect speech. See example, direct speech. He says she is happy. Here reporting verb is says, means present tense. So when we will change it into indirect, the tense of reported speech will not change. See, he says, what we will use, that she is happy. Clear? Here says is there, so tense of reported speech will not change. Clear? Now see this table, how we change direct into indirect. Here these are time expressions. Time expressions also change when we change into indirect. See, today will change into that day. Now will change into then. Yesterday will change into the day before or the previous day. Last week will change into the week before. Last night will change into the night before. Tomorrow will become the next day. Next year will become the following year. And here will change into there. Clear? Now see the change in verb tense. Say or says will become said. Is saying, was saying or were saying. Has or have said will become had said. Has been saying will become had been saying. Clear? Now see, if reporting verb is said to, it will change into told. See the example. Neha said to me, I am fine now. When we change it into indirect speech, See, Neha said to. Here said to will become told. Me, that, in place of comma. In place of comma, what we will use? That. We will use that. I will change into she. Why? Because Neha is a girl. Am will change into was. Clear? Now will change into then. Clear? See, when the reporting verb is in the past tense, the modal verbs can, will, may and shall inside the quote change to could, would, might and should when we change into indirect speech. Now see a few examples to understand the topic. Students, we will revise a few sentences how to change direct speech into indirect speech. Look here, look at this sentence. Shikha says, comma, inverted commas, begin. I play cricket. See here Shikha is subject, says is reporting verb, comma, inverted commas, begin. See the sentence which is given in your inverted commas, this is reported speech. अब हमने क्या रूल लर्न किया था कि जब हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, दिस इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, जब ये प्रेजेंट में है या फ्यूचर में है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस चेंज नहीं होगा. अगर वो प्रेजेंट में है तो वो प्रेजेंट में ही रहेगा. सी, शिखा सेज, आफ्टर दैट that. Now see, Shikha is a girl, so what you will use in place of I? She. Shikha says that she. Now what we will use in present tense with singular? What we will write? Plays. And at last, cricket. The sentence is finished. Full stop. Shikha says that she plays cricket. Clear? Come to next sentence. Radha will say, I love apples. This sentence, see here, subject. This is reporting verb and this is reported speech. Now, when your reporting verb is in future tense, the tense of reported speech will not change. तो अब आपने क्या करना है? See, Radha will say that. Again, Radha is a girl. If there is a boy, you will write he. But here, she. Love or loves? Loves apples. Clear, students? Come to third sentence. My brother said, I am going to market. Now, my brother is subject. Said is reporting verb here. And the words which are written in commas, this is your reported speech. अब आपको हमने क्या बताया था कि जब आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट में है तो आपकी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस चेंज होगा. ठीक है, वो पास्ट में हो जाएगा. तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? सी, माय ब्रदर सेड दैट. अब माय ब्रदर, ब्रदर क्या है? बॉय है, तो he. Am going will become was going. Was going to market. Then full stop. Clear? Last sentence now. See the last sentence. Meena said, I have done work. Now, Meena said that. Meena is a girl. She. Now with she you will use has or have. But this is present perfect. So present perfect will change into past perfect. Has or have will change into had. She had done work. I hope this is clear to you. Now revise the rules and do the exercise in your notebook. Thank you.